And here is how to use the HPFA, the high-pressure foam analyzer. The HPFA has 3 tongue-shaped high-pressure windows. The lids at the bottom and at the top side can be easily opened. A diagonally arranged camera with illumination provides the time-dependent analysis of the foam structure. The second camera films continuously the foam height. The optional mini-dosing system enables adding additives like defoamers or crude oil into the pressurized fluids. The intuitive handling of the software allows the continuous observation of different visually obtainable foam parameters, as well as the actual camera images of the foam height and the bubble size distribution. 2 different inlet valves enable gas flow either from the bottom of the view cell or from the top. The outlet valves enable the drainage of the liquid phase as well as the gas flow from the gas phase at the top. The electrical heating of the view cell can be controlled with the help of a digital temperature controller. The actual pressure and temperature are visualized by an LCD display. The gas inlet has to be connected to a gas booster or a syringe pump. The camera has to be connected to the electric connections. The filter plate removal tool, or FPR tool, enables easy insertion and removal of the frit. The frit is screwed on the FPR tool, then placed inside the view cell up to the bottom edge of the high-pressure windows inside the view cell. Afterwards, the FPR tool has to be unscrewed. The lid is screwed on the lower inlet of the cell and connected via a line to the tower behind the cell. Then, the inlay is placed with the help of a thin capillary on the frit to direct the foam towards the window for structure analysis. The frits are available with different pore size distributions. The liquid, mainly aqueous surfactant solution, is poured into the view cell. The liquid level should be at the upper edge of the high-pressure windows. The second lid is screwed on the upper inlet of the cell and connected via a line to the tower behind the cell. The prism's arrangement has to be placed on the window in front of the cell to enable the detection of the bubble size distribution. First, the window has to be cleaned carefully with a tissue. The prism holder is placed on the window. The provided grease is carefully placed on the prisms and then the prism holder is placed on the window with the help of the prism's holder. Tighten the Allen screws softly and carefully as shown. Fix the prisms by turning the knob carefully. Afterwards, remove the prism holder. Set the temperature and wait until thermal equilibrium is reached. Place the camera in front of the window for structure analysis. Close the valve between the mini-dosing system and the view cell. Open the valve above the mini-dosing cylinder and fill it with additives. Opening the valve between the mini-dosing system and the cell enables filling in the additives, either before or during a measurement. Open the valve A of the view cell and pressurize the systems with the help of a gas booster or a syringe pump up to the designated pressure. It is important that the thermal equilibrium is already reached before pressurizing the cell. Close the top inlet valve and wait until the liquid is saturated. Drain the liquid until the designated liquid level is reached. The liquid level should be between the green lines shown in the height window on the screen. Open the bottom inlet valve and start the gas syringe pump. Open the outlet valve very carefully to obtain a constant pressure. The foam formation can be observed with the software. To replace the flat seals or to remove possible impurities on the seals, the high-pressure windows have to be opened. Unscrew the fittings crosswise as shown. Remove the window, the seals, and the high-pressure glass very carefully. Then place new seals, starting with the seals between the cell and glass. Then place the glass and then the outer seal on the flange. The outer seal is placed right on the flange. Usually, the first seal will be a PTFE seal. The second one is a graphite seal. Screw the fittings cross and stepwise with the help of a torque wrench. Perform a leak test. We wish you a successful measurement with your HPFA.